Gusto mo yung mga sa win?
Sa rate segment po, sa rate segment po, as of December 2024 po, we already have 61.7 million borrowers. Unit data per subject per individual po. So, basic naman po dito, value finance is 41.20%. Then, universal banks, 20.99%. Then, microfinance po, by normal, credit card, free bank, and so on po. So, to discuss further po the COC database po, may data success po. As you can see po, noong 2020, kung makakumpara niyo po, noong 2020, meron po tayong 23.37 million data subjects. Nagkaroon po tayo ng growth ng 162%. Na as of December 2024 po, meron na po tayo 61.51 million.
Ben, yung anong pangalan? Ben, ikutang na to?
Continue po, proceeding sa database by contact type po. As you can see po, noong 2020, meron po tayo 85.27 million contact type.
Servicing, siguro?
Then, nagkaroon po din tayo ng growth na 20%.
Paano mali? Paligid,
Noong December po, meron na po tayo 297.5